In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create work orders in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to set up a simple, reusable work order form and then use it whenever you need to document or send out job details for your customers. We'll start by building a custom form that will act as your work order. In QuickBooks Online, go to the gear icon, which is your settings menu, usually in the top right corner. From there, choose Custom Form Styles. This is where you control how your estimates, invoices, and other forms look and behave. Next, click on New Style, and when QuickBooks asks what type of form you want to create, select either Estimate or Sales Order, depending on what's available in your version and what fits your workflow best. Both of these can be repurposed as work orders. Once the form editor opens, go to the Content tab. Here, you'll see different sections of the form, like the header, body, and footer. Click on the header area to edit it. In the section labeled Form Names, change the name to Work Order. Make sure you check the box for form names so that this new name appears both internally and on the form you send to customers. While you're still in this editor, take a moment to customize other useful fields. For example, you might want to add a job location field if the work is performed at a specific site, or a service date field to clearly indicate when the job is scheduled. These details help your team and your customers know exactly what is happening, where, and when. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Done to save your new work order template. Now that the template is ready, let's create an actual work order. Click the plus New button, usually found at the top of your QuickBooks screen. From the list of transaction types, choose Estimate or Sales Order, matching the type you used when you created your custom form. Select the customer you're creating the work order for, and fill in the standard details like the customer information and the date. Then open the Customize option for this transaction and choose your newly created work order template so the layout and labels match what you set up earlier. Next, enter all the services, products, and job-specific details. Be as clear as possible here so that the work order can act as a reliable reference for your team. When everything looks good, click Save and Send to email the work order to your customer or to share it with your internal team.